Cablevey conveyors are a clean and gentle way to convey your friable materials. Cablevey conveyors have proven an interesting enough concept that recent competitors have attempted to copy what we have taken over 40 years to consistently develop and improve upon. Not fully tested, their systems have failed consistently in food processing facilities. We know this as we've been called upon to replace some. Nonetheless, recent comparisons have people considering cable and disc versus chain and disc conveyors. And there is no doubt, chains are strong, and at 2.5 times more weight than a cable system, they occupy more space, displacing the materials with linkage real estate and catching and breaking materials in between the links during material transport. Additionally, the trade-off with a heavy chain is it takes more horsepower to transport the chain from one end of the conveying process to the next, causing higher energy costs. And carryover on the chain link surface is effectively doubled in comparison to cable. Links provide more landing space for material fines. And how do you clean a chain? Each welded link connects to another welded link, harboring potential allergens and bacteria, affecting the food materials being transported. Can a chain system actually be food safe? When you take these facts together, it's no wonder enclosed tubular drag cable and disc systems have taken the food industry by storm. Our biggest drive unit is 5 horsepower. Our systems are easy to clean in place and sanitize to swab test standards. And we convey breakfast cereal, peanuts, cashews, and roasted whole bean coffee with minimal breakage. It's no coincidence Cablevey Conveyors has elicited competition. And though many systems, pneumatic, aeromechanical, and vacuum might look like ours, only Cablevey cable and disc conveyors have been utilized successfully, long-term, to gently transport friable materials. Food safety-conscious facilities rely on Cablevey conveyors for their continual processing operations. Cablevey, the gentle way to convey.